Originally, I'm from Manchester area, and when I came here, I was just looking for options who can build the conservatory, and I visited few places. Was suggested by one of my work colleague to go conservatory land, and as soon as I entered, I've seen their big setup, seen their manufacturing setup. They do everything in house. I was impressed with the quality of work and everything, and I decided to just go with them. Process was smooth. From day one, I ordered, they gave me the date of install. In between, they kept me updated. They came same day what they have told me, and everything went within the time frames. Outcome was nice, so I was really happy. Whosoever I met at Conservatory Land and spoke over the phone, they were always helpful. Overall good experience. Yeah, I have no complaints. Yeah, no regrets. Best part I liked is everything was prefabricated and built before they brought it here. When I built conservatories other places, it took weeks and months before completion. Yeah, I used the Conservatory Land installer. They were in and out within 4 or 5 days, 6 days, and that's an experience I never had before. What I need is something which I enjoy. I always wanted a conservatory, so just went for it. It's an extra space near garden, so of course you will always use that place. I was impressed, and if I'm building any other one, I will definitely go for it. And I will say contact Conservatory Land, and I will say to people in my diaspora that बहुत सारू काम करियो Conservatory Land, go for it.